Your daily bag is too small for travel. Your travel bag is too big for the office.
We get it. That's why we built the EVERKI ONE. A premium backpack that expands from workday carry to carry-on travel.
EVERKI ONE is your workday and short trip backpack. 32 liters, light and carry-on sized.
Unzip the expansion and it grows to 38 liters, opening flat like a suitcase. Enough room for longer trips. When you arrive, pull out the L-Cube and use it as a day pack. Leave the main bag at the hotel and go.
Up top, a hardshell case. Phone and sunglasses protected, even when the bag's packed full.
This case has been on EVERKI bags for years. You never heard about it because we were never marketing people. 20 years, over 2 million bags, no noise. EVERKI ONE deserved better than that. So this time we're doing it loud. That's why we're on Kickstarter.
Before EVERKI ONE is a backpack, it's over 100 pieces of paper. Every strap, every pocket starts as a hand-drawn paper pattern cut to full size. More than 100 parts measured and refined by hand before a single zipper is sewn.
Once the first one's sewn, we test the hell out of it on our own machines, loaded with weight, dropped thousands of times, zippers cycled until they fail, materials pull until it tears, then our team signs off on it.
A test bench only tells you so much. The real test happens on the road. So we sent this bag to travelers we trust to use it.
They took it on real trips, and now it's ready for you. EVERKI ONE is the backpack we always wanted to carry. It's live on Kickstarter now in 3 bundles, from the carry-on pack to the complete system. Ships from the US, Europe, and Asia. Back it now. Carry the EVERKI ONE before anyone else.